In today's tutorial, we are doing this. I will be teaching you how to create a thumbnail that attracts more viewers' attention. Avoid putting too much information on your thumbnail. You should add only necessary information. So, the picture that you know will attract people and a text that is just like a call to action. So that's all you need to do to make your thumbnail very catchy and useful. Let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe. The first thing you should do is to create the size by selecting image size. As you know, you have your YouTube thumbnail here, 1280 by 720. So you can now bring in your background. After that, you can bring in your image. Then add your text. Select the right font. You should align your design tests. Let's use Montserrat for this one too. Montserrat black. Adjust the size. 40 is okay here. So make this one yellow to balance everything. So align it. This one is just big. You can adjust the size. So when you are creating this kind of thumbnail, you should not stack in too much information. You see, this one is very simple. We can see clearly the text and a picture that expresses an excitement, which is very good for this kind of design. So you should just make sure that you did not stack in too much information on your thumbnail.
Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification button.